creative, really adaptable organization, and we're trying to reflect what it is that campus is looking for. We're trying to challenge ideas, present new ideas, and give students opportunities they wouldn't have anywhere else.
It's led by students, it's organized by students, but we still have the resources of a wonderful organization like the Wisconsin Union Directorate backing us.
This organization is unique on campus because students are given full autonomy over the decisions that are being made on a daily basis to be able to expand their programming, connect with other students, and really create this campus community and truly make the union a place to be.
If you want to do something really big, you have the power to. And if you're good at working with other people, that's a bonus because you need those people to help you accomplish something big.
I think you need to have the drive to make things happen yourself because it's a very autonomous organization. I think you need to be very organized because you need to be able to take something that has almost no form and make it into something that's broadly accepted by the campus community.
Students are given a lot of responsibilities, a lot of power in these positions, and we have such a large role in decision making. Our voices are heard by everyone at every level.
If you want to see a change, if you want to see something that campus is missing, with Wood, you get to actually enact that change.
I've just met so many wonderful people, not just peers, but advisors, alumni. It's just been really great to work with them, and I know that if I ever need help with anything, I have people that I can count on and rely on to help me with whatever I'm dealing with.
We have a wide range of things that we cover, events and opportunities, so it's really great to have that fun aspect, but also having that professional development that you can carry with you after you graduate.
I've learned a lot of time management and cooperation skills. It is a workplace environment, but it's also a workplace environment filled with friends. I think anyone who wants to see a conversation on campus happen that they don't already see happening would be someone who'd be more than welcome to apply, work with, study with Wood.
People that are good communicators, people that are really independent, have big ideas, and are willing to make those big ideas happen.
It's very easy to connect with everyone, and we can talk about very deep topics, and it's so rewarding.
I would recommend anyone who has thought, I want to see more of blank. More art, more music, more films, more diversity, more inclusion. With Wood, this is your chance to make that happen on campus, and working with people who are just as passionate about that as I am is just a completely unique opportunity.